Hello, I'm just here to tell y'all real quick about the latest Windows can support ASCII color command, so I was going to just throw this quick video out there because it took me a minute to understand, but as of the latest Windows 10, or I think the last few versions, you can do ASCII colors. Now if you upgraded from an older Windows 10 or upgraded from Windows 7, this will not be enabled by default. You can look it up online how to enable it. I don't have the answers for you on that one, to be honest with you. I reinstalled Windows recently just to get a fresh start on life. But here we have two for loops, which will run through the available background colors and the available text colors. So what this does is first you do the Windows escape sequence, which I don't think it's Windows specific, but the ASCII escape sequence, which is character 27. And then this is the start of the code, which in this case 38 semicolon 5 semicolon will only do text colors. I may be wrong in that explanation, but that's how I interpret it. And then you do the actual color code, and then the M cuts it. And then I do a space, and then print out which number we just used. And then I reset the color palette with my reset function, which is just escape character 27 and then 0M. So. And then this one does the same thing but for background color, so it's underneath the text. So you can combine these in different ways, the system printout function or statement, to get different colors and background combinations. And it will do 0 through 255. So it's pretty simple. This code, when you run it, this specific thing right here, it's runnable by itself. You don't need to do extra setup or libraries or all that. And there you go. It does 0 all the way to 255, and then the backgrounds go from 0 all the way up to 255, which is pure white. But anyways, that was it. That's cool. Y'all have fun.